Yo friend, possibly you might have heard about the dropshipping course by Tim Sharp, which is called the complete Shopify Aliexpress dropshipping course. That is what we're here to discuss today. My name is Maverick. I'm going to be your reviewer. Briefly before I get started, my reviews are mostly for beginners, so in case you're an intermediate or an expert, you might feel like, what is this guy saying? I know about her, that's fine, okay? Although no information or knowledge is lost, but if you're a beginner, trust me, you're gonna get a whole lot of knowledge from this video. But if you're an expert, possibly I might not be able to water you enough. So that is a disclaimer I have to give to you. Alright, let's talk about this dropshipping course by Tim Sharp. And this course has been in existence for a long while and it has good review. I mean, check this out. 24,317 ratings with 528 students, and you can see 4.7 star reviews. This is owned by Tim Sharp, and as you can see, it's last updated 2nd 2024, which is February, which we're in February now, and that's a good one. All right, this man has put in a whole lot of work into this program. You have not actually subscribed. This is on Udemy, okay? So you can see that the course costs around $129,000. Like that's roughly $130,000 right here, because anything 129.99, I don't know, that is $130 right there for you to be able to purchase this program. Kind of a little bit on the high side. I'm sure that you've already seen all these, so I might not need to go ahead with it, but you can see that it's a 8 hours plus video tutorials, 3 articles, 3 downloadable resources, access to mobile and TV, certificate after completion is normal when it comes to Udemy. You're gonna get a whole lot how you can set up a Shopify account, building out your Shopify store, choosing your market and deciding what to sell, adding products. Now it gets exciting time to be the real business. First 10K, your first 10K, blah blah blah, like that. Okay, I'm not gonna go right there, but you can see this man has been a successful online entrepreneur since 2004. Wow, that's crazy. So over the years, he has built a whole lot of businesses in e-commerce, Shopify, affiliate marketing. Wow, that's good. And web and database development. All right. Okay, so this man has a lot of years of experience. It's 20 years of experience now, being claimed by Tim Sharp, and he's probably know his audience, everything about this aspect called e-commerce and dropshipping with Shopify and Aliexpress. Okay, so now what this actually means is that you use Shopify to create your store, okay, and you dropship from Aliexpress, okay. But the thing is that presently a whole lot of brand successful dropshippers now, they really don't rely on Aliexpress like before, okay. So because we now have more suppliers in the United States, UK, Canada, that they kind of make life easy for dropshipping now, so whereby they have the products being stored to their warehouse, and they buy a lot of products, and they go ahead, get winning products, and once they get a winning products, you subscribe to their plan, and from there they help you to be shipping out the product. You promote the product, you bring the sales, and the moment you order, they send it to your customers on your behalf. All right, but compared to AliExpress now, a lot of suppliers on AliExpress, and the competition is kind of a little bit severe, okay. So I'm not saying maybe AliExpress is still worst or not good, but I'm just letting you know that most modern dropshipping now don't really focus on AliExpress. They would rather rely on their local suppliers. Okay, so local suppliers is what most of these guys use. Okay, so let's talk about some of the things you should know. Well, as you can see, the price is kind of not too much, not a high ticket, $130 rather. It's not much of an high ticket. Okay, let's just call it a low ticket, okay, or middle ticket, whichever way to a low ticket also. And this guy has several customer testimonials, okay. So you can see a whole lot of testimonials right there, 4.7 star rating, 24,000 plus ratings and order from students. So there are a lot of reviews about this. So and updated information is also coming here. You can see that you have a last updated presently this month, okay, which is February as at the time I'm creating this video. I like Udemy for one thing. I mean, they give you the ability to be able to listen to a course in different languages, although not every course, but I think this course is also part of it. You can listen to English, Arabic, Dutch, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Polish, simplified Chinese, Spanish, Thai, Turkish, and Vietnamese. Now let's talk about some of the possible issues that you might have with dropshipping business. Okay, the first one is that dropshipping is saturated. Over 120,000 people have enrolled for this course. All right, whatever it wants to teach you, the competition among students is even there, okay, and it's so saturated, okay, with a lot of beginners selling the same product. Dropshipping is a very saturated business, except if you have some kind of secret strategy that but any strategy that Tim Sharp might probably want to teach you is already saturated among hundreds of thousands of students out there. So I'm not saying maybe you shouldn't go for this, but what I'm just saying is that you need to know that a whole lot of people have also bought this course, okay? And just check it out. I mean, look at the numbers of students. So you're competing with over 120,000 people sharing the same idea as you had. That is already a crowd, okay? The moment your strategy is being known by even 100 people, even 50 people, it's already getting to a crowd. Not to talk of 100,000 people, that is more of a crowd. I mean, there is nothing different than YouTube videos. All right, this is why strategies that you learn from YouTube are mostly not very effective, because a whole lot of people are also into it, so they are less effective. But just check this out also. I mean, over 124,000 students have enrolled for this, so that makes it nothing less than a YouTube tutorial. Okay, competition among other people who are also into dropshipping, okay, is also there. And AliExpress dropshipping requires good product manager because of counterfeit products, okay? So you need a good product manager, okay, to help you to manage your product, because from AliExpress they are shiny supplier. So it's good that you have some, and the stress that is even not here. That is why I said a lot of present dropshippers who are getting success, they do mostly local dropshipping, okay, to hundreds of people in the same group that they can buy, or even if not 100, but possibly there are a huge number of people, okay, that they can buy products together at once, and everything can be cool. They say story that their supplier and things keep going. But if you are alone and you want to go straight to AliExpress to dropship, remember, over 120,000 people also might be using the same supplier or whatever is recommending to you. So that is kind of a little bit difficult, okay, for you to even scale through it. All right, and you need technical experience to run drop shipping. Yes, okay, you need to be techie. If you're the kind that you are not techie, you don't even know how to create a store, because with Shopify, even though it is drag and drop, you need to know how to edit, do some stuff. Even drag and drop is not easy on its own, and you need to be able to set everything properly. Although there are agencies that you can use, I recommend Imperial Ecom in case you are not techie, or probably you do not have the time. You can use Imperial Ecom. I'm gonna be linking to them in the video description, or possibly on the screen. I'm gonna link on the screen. So that is it. You need technical experience, okay? And if you're not technical, you might need huge capital to hire agencies for smooth running, okay? Although an agency that I know that is not very much expensive is Imperial Ecom, but most of other agencies are always very much expensive, okay? If you have the time, you can go ahead, create your Shopify store yourself. But if you do not have the time, or you have your 9 to 5 job, it's better that you find a less expensive agency, okay, like Imperial Ecom. They're a good one that I recommend. All right, and that is it that I can say about this program and dropshipping. It's a good one that you can go for, but just know that the competition is much, okay? But it's not bad you giving up this man a trial with his program. Possibly you can use it to learn a whole lot of things when it comes to dropshipping. Okay, so that is it. Thank you very much for your time. This is just me ranting on my page, like some experts do say, okay? But I'm sure that some people also will get value from whatever I've said in this video, possibly beginners who don't know anything about the internet world at large, okay? And this course kind of look like it, okay? And you will learn, but success is not what I can guarantee, okay? You can use it to learn, but I cannot guarantee that you will make a lot of success with it. All right, so that is it. And if you're looking for a platform where you can possibly get the best products to sell, because checking this out, you can see setting up your store, building your Shopify store, doing your logo, a whole lot of stuff, choosing market, deciding what to sell, the golden rules. The thing is that there is no golden rule like that, okay? So it's better that you have a platform where you can be getting the best products to sell. And I recommend the Ecom Profit Up, okay? I'm also gonna be linking to it in the video description, or you can check the screen, it's gonna be there. Ecom Profit Up is where you can get good products to sell, okay? Like trending products, not only trending, I mean winning products. Let me say winning product, because whatever is trending also is possibly saturated. So winning products that are they are hot, okay, that you can plug a socket to, and you can also milk a lot of money from them, where you can quickly run your ads to and get a whole lot of money. So you can get winning products from Ecom Profit Up. I recommend them. You can give them a trial. They are also good, okay? So that is it. You can see that even deciding what to sell, the golden rule, you can see it's just 6 minutes, and that is the main thing, okay? That is why I tell you that programs like these are good, but you getting success is not guaranteed, okay? Because deciding what to sell, that is the major aspect of drop shipping, okay? It's not just about you creating a store. It's not about you beautifying your store. You can see that you spend a whole lot of time telling you how to design a Shopify store, but once people are not buying, deciding what to sell, it takes a lot of time, okay? So that aspect should be well buttressed. You might not need to stretch yourself with that. You can just use Ecom Profit Up to get best winning products in a certain niche, okay? So that is my gift to you. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any experience with this guy, Tim Sharp's course, you can let us know in the comment box. It's gonna help a whole lot of people out there to also make the best decision. Thank you very much. I hope this video has been helpful. If it is, can I make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified notified whenever I drop new review videos. And I hope to see you in some other video reviews. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.